Hey guys, recently I had made a video showing you how to upgrade the Spectral Shield to the Attuned Spectral Shield. It allowed you to take 4 more hits before it broke, and you could hold 2 extra charges from zombies. So definitely worth upgrading it if you're doing the Easter eggs. You do need to use the Afterlife Blast quite a bit. Now, when I had been in some previous games, when I upgraded the shield, it just gave it to me. And then in other games, it upgraded other people that were on the map in other locations. They were just running around, and it pulled out the shield, and it was upgraded for them. So originally I thought, oh, well, when you upgrade the shield, it will upgrade everybody else. But then in other games, it wasn't upgrading them. So we weren't too sure what was going on, and now it seemed like it was just a glitch. But recently it's been found how to upgrade everybody's shield at the same time so that you don't have to sit there and do the steps for it for each player. The 2 things you're going to need to be able to do this is obviously a shield and also the tomahawk. And I've already made videos about how to do all that, and most people know how to do that already. So this video is just to show you how to upgrade everybody's shield, all 4 players, at the same time. So just have 1 player do the step to upgrade the shield. They need to hit the mystery box until they get the lock to show up, and they need to pull out their shield really fast and zap it with the key until it turns blue. You'll see that center of the lock where the key goes in turn blue, and at that point that player can throw their tomahawk, and other players can stand around, hold out their shield, and throw the tomahawk at the same time. They'll be able to capture the lock and upgrade to the attuned shield as well. Immediately on the bottom right, above the shield logo, it will show attuned spectral shield, and on the front they'll have a lock, and at this point they can hold 4 charges and will be able to take 4 more hits. I believe the founder of this method is Vex on Reddit, so shout out to them, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!